Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Instagram to your computer or laptop. So no matter if you're using a Windows or a Mac computer, there's basically two different ways to go and install Instagram. So if you're on a Windows computer, you'll need to head over to your Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and then click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box at the top, just go and type in Instagram and hit enter. Click on the Instagram application in the left-hand side. Click on the Get button to go and install this to your system, and give that a few seconds while it downloads and installs. Once it's finished downloading, click on the Open button, and just like that, we have now downloaded Instagram, and you can sign in to your account and start using the application. You may also get this pop-up, and we're going to check Pin to Taskbar, Pin to Start, and also Create Desktop Shortcut. Go and click on Allow, and now if I come back over to my desktop, you'll be able to see the Instagram application. Now, another way to do this, especially if you're on a Mac computer, is to open up a Google Chrome web browser, head over to the official Instagram.com website, click on the three vertical dots in your Google Chrome web browser, scroll down and click on Cast, Save and Share, and select Install Instagram, click on Install. And just like that, that's also opened up this Instagram application. You can see if I come down to my taskbar, it even has the Instagram icon. And just like before, if you get this pop-up in the right-hand side, just go and press yes, and that's going to pin Instagram to your taskbar at the bottom down here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.